In this video, I will explain and configure the package assignments. On the navigation menu on the left, we go to Packages, where we can view all our subscribed packages. Use these controls to filter packages according to the following. The All filter shows all packages across RealmJoin and Intune, including mobile packages and Windows Store packages. The RealmJoin filter shows only RealmJoin packages deployed via RealmJoin client. The Intune filter shows only Intune Win packages deployed via Microsoft Intune. Updates only limits the view to packages where a newer version of the package is available. Automation only limits the view to packages where automatic deployment is configured. Now let's search for Adobe Reader in the search bar. As this is a managed package, all the corresponding groups have been created and the package is already assigned to these groups. Let's take a closer look at these groups. Users assigned to the main group will receive packages automatically. This is the main group. In the available group, applications will be available in the RealmJoin portal for users to install. In the uninstall group, packages will be uninstalled according to the uninstall routine provided by the software vendor. The preview group is useful in that if a newer version of the managed package exists, you can assign users to this group, which will create a separate instance of the package that can be assigned to a pilot user group for testing. The update group is used when the RealmJoin backend detects devices with outdated application packages, and then it will automatically add these devices in this group and updates their applications. Now let's add a user to the default group. Click the default group. We select Add. We select our user. We click Close. Refresh. And we have our user added. On the left side, you can see some group-related data coming from Entra ID. And if you want to go back, just use the browser's back button. In migration scenarios, users can be added via a bulk operation from other groups or users, or groups can be added individually. Additionally, nested groups are possible but not recommended. This concludes the video regarding management groups and their settings.